Now we can move on to the colors, or rather to the color palettes. I have prepared several palettes. Some of them are popular, some I made myself. Let's create a class for a color from a specific palette. We have a palette with some number of colors, but we want to get an infinite number of colors in between. To do this, we can calculate the distance between two consecutive colors. We are creating a random index and subindex for the color. Now we need a method that will calculate the color based on them. First color, second color, the distance between them or the maximum value of the subindex. And we are calculating the color through the map function. Let's call it the method for getting the color. We don't need one color but many. And it is desirable that they are not far from each other. Let's write a method for updating the color with a sum step for this. We are adding a random step to the subindex. If it is going beyond the boundaries, we recalculate our indexes. Finally, we are creating the color. Now let's change the rectangle class. We are updating the color with a large step. Let's see how it will work. Fine, this will be useful to us.